Dear decoupage lovers, in this tutorial I will show you how to decorate a box for Christmas. You can buy materials for this project in our company's online store. Paint the lid of the box with white acrylic paint. Dry it. Cut out a picture from rice paper. Wet the outline of the picture with water, using a thin brush. Carefully align the picture from rice paper. The edges of the picture will be thinner with this method of tearing out. Glue the picture with decoupage glue. To make decorative elements, we will use self-hardening clay in the air. Take the required amount of clay, knead it in your hands and tamp it into silicone molds. After 30 minutes, remove the decorative elements from the molds. Apply glue for porous surfaces to the decorative elements and glue the decorative elements. On the box.
Paint the bottom of the box with 2 shades of brown acrylic paint. First, paint the box with dark brown paint.
Without waiting for the dark brown paint to dry, apply a layer of light brown paint, imitating the structure of the wood. Remove the decorative elements from the second mold. Apply glue for porous surfaces to the decorative elements and glue them to the sides of the box. Paint the lid of the box around the picture with acrylic paint of a milky color. Paint the decorative elements with this milky paint as well. Varnish all surfaces of the box with glossy acrylic varnish. Dry well. Mix acrylic paint of a dark brown color with water and apply the diluted paint to the top of the box. Immediately wipe off excess paint with a damp cloth. Paint the ribbons of the Christmas wreaths with red acrylic paint. Paint the spruce branches of the Christmas wreath with green acrylic paint. For other decorative elements, use yellow and green acrylic paints. Paint the bow on the Christmas wreath with red acrylic paint to make it more expressive. Let's paint some extra berries with red and yellow paint. Take some white paint on the brush. Wipe the brush dry on the paper and then go over the decor with a dry brush, highlighting it. Varnish all the surfaces of the box with shiny acrylic varnish. Use a fan brush. Attach decorative metal legs to the box. And our Christmas box is ready. Thanks for watching.